Imagine a workplace where leaders inspire trust, make fair decisions, and set the right example for everyone. That's the power of ethical leadership, a guiding approach that builds credibility, motivates teams, and drives long-term success. Let's explore what it is and why it matters. What is ethical leadership? Ethical leadership is about leading with integrity, fairness, and transparency. It means making decisions guided by moral principles, treating people respectfully, and being accountable for actions. By prioritizing honesty and ethical practices, leaders don't just manage, they inspire trust, set cultural standards, and create workplaces where people want to perform at their best. Why ethical leadership matters. Here are some key reasons why ethical leadership truly matters in the workplace. Let's explore how it builds trust, guides decisions, and strengthens team performance. Builds trust. Leaders who act ethically earn respect and loyalty from their teams. Trust encourages open communication, collaboration, and a sense of psychological safety. Guides decision-making. Ethical leaders make choices that are fair, consistent, and in line with company values. Their decisions balance organizational goals with the well-being of employees and stakeholders. Boosts team morale and engagement. When teams see ethical behavior modeled at the top, engagement and morale increase. Employees are more likely to follow rules, collaborate, and feel motivated to contribute positively. Prevents conflicts and misconduct. Clear ethical standards reduce workplace disputes and limit the risk of unethical behavior. Teams operate more smoothly, and organizations maintain a strong reputation. How to practice ethical leadership. Now that we understand its importance, let's look at some simple ways to practice ethical leadership in everyday work. Lead by example. Demonstrate honesty, transparency, and accountability in all actions. Communicate values clearly. Share organizational ethics and expectations openly, so teams understand standards. Make fair decisions. Consider the impact of decisions on all stakeholders and avoid favoritism or bias. Encourage feedback. Invite team members to voice concerns and report ethical dilemmas safely. Reward ethical behavior. Recognize and appreciate employees who act with integrity to reinforce positive culture. Impact on organizations and teams. So what impact does ethical leadership have on organizations and teams? Let's take a quick look. Here's how it helps organizations. Build trust and credibility. Strengthen team cohesion and morale. Make consistent, principled decisions. Reduce workplace conflicts and risk. Leaders who prioritize ethics create a positive culture where teams thrive. Ethical leadership isn't just about rules, it's about setting the tone for how people work together. By acting with integrity, fairness, and transparency, you inspire trust, motivate teams, and build a strong, sustainable organization. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on leadership, ethics, and professional skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.